Amazon Fresh is a grocery delivery service that's available in selected cities. You place orders online, and the company delivers them directly to your home. Amazon Fresh is free for Amazon Prime members, but there are delivery fees for smaller orders. Prices at Amazon Fresh are about the same as or less than those at specialty stores, but generally higher than prices at large grocery store chains. If you are new on this channel, make sure to subscribe. Pros: large selection with over 500,000 products to choose from, including household items. Local, organic, and seasonal groceries available. No extra subscription fee for Amazon Prime members. Attended delivery, doorstep delivery, and pickup options available. Same-day delivery available in some locations. Product prices are generally the same or less than specialty stores, such as Whole Foods. Individuals on Snap can use a valid EBT card to pay for groceries and don't need a Prime membership. You can shop on your smartphone via the Amazon Fresh app. Cons: $10 delivery fee for orders under $35 or $50, depending upon the region. Customers must subscribe to Amazon Prime for $119 per year or $12.99 per month. The service adds a 10% tip to every order, though you may change this during checkout. Service is currently by invitation only, though you may request an invitation. No bulk sizing available. Products tend to cost more than they do at most large chain grocery stores. Does not let you choose your own substitutions. Lots of packaging, some of which isn't recyclable.